Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek speaking. Today we are going to make fish curry. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this we need 0.5 kg boneless sole fish fillet. You can also use Basa, Haddock, cod or catfish. Half teaspoon mustard seeds, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 2 roughly chopped onions, 3 finely chopped green chillies, 1 inch chopped ginger, 6 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 3 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 teaspoon vinegar and 3 tablespoon coconut oil. Now for the recipe, in a blender add ginger, garlic, cumin seeds and onions and blend. Next, in a pan, add coconut oil on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Once the seeds starts to splutter, add curry leaves. When the leaves are fried, add chopped green chilies and cook for 2 minutes. Add the blended paste and cook until it turns light brown. Add tomato paste and cook until oil separates. Add turmeric powder, red chilli powder and salt with a splash of water. The water is added so that the spices don't burn. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the oil separates. Add coconut milk and stir. Add 1 cup water and stir again. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Next, add fish fillets. Gently mix everything without breaking the fish. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Add vinegar and shake the pan to mix gently without breaking the fish. Cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Your fish curry is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, transfer the fish curry into a serving dish and place it on a platter. Place a bowl full of cumin rice next to it. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, add cumin rice in a small bowl and place it inverted in the center of a bowl. Add curry on the sides of the bowl. Place fish pieces on top of the rice with curry leaves. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, place rice at 3 locations on a plate using spoon, small bowl or a cookie cutter. Add fish pieces on top of the rice. Drizzle curry on top of the rice. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.